top with tori for today. Presido Muhammadu Buhari don yarn am say dem go put better money for judiciary system for the country as e inaugurate annex building for National Industrial Court. Naija Presido Muhammadu Buhari don tok am say in administration e go continue to dey put better money for judiciary as this one go help dem take do their work. E tok say na the joint body of the three arms of government na im go fit let better justice and ogbonge life dey for Naija pipo. E tok dis one wen e bin dey commission the annex building, the one wey dey the headquarter for National Industrial Court for Abuja. And dis commission itself, e come still waka with the joint body of the valedictory section, the one wey dey waka go for the Presido of the Industrial Court, that na Justice Babatunde Adejumo. Presido tok say if dem remember say for 2014, the budget wey dem allocate give judiciary na 68 billion naira. And today, so as dem dey tok, the budget don waka reach 100 billion naira. E come use the opportunity to take beg the three arm of government dem say make dem continue to dey collabo as this one go help see say better policy, program and project wey im administration dey do e waka well for Naija pipo.
Let me now appeal to the three arms of government to continue our collaborative partnership to ensure our policies, programs, and projects impact the lives of our citizens. Simply put, all Nigerians, regardless of ethnicity, religion, and politics, deserve peaceful and prosperous lives. Nigerians deserve fair justice delivery. It is therefore our collective duty to work collaboratively to ensure that such rights are safeguarded.
Buhari come still salute the court presido unto im retirement and the better work wey e don do as stateside Naija pipo. E come tok say dem sabi all the work wey Justice Adejumo don do and im legacy go waka well as pipo go learn many things unto im style. Presido come tok on top the reason why National Industrial Court be tanda put for the country as e tok say this one dey well to see say labour matter, industry matter dem and job matter for the country e go well, and this industrial court e don dey serve Naija pipo well on top all this matter dem. Presido come still tok say the annex building wey dey commission so e go help the industrial court matter make e dey waka well as this one go make all the case, the one wey concern all the industries wey dey the country and job matter dem go fit tanda gidigba well for the country. Na here we see the ogbonge informate reach on top with tori for today. As Presido Muhammadu Buhari don yarn am say Naija government go put ogbonge money put for judiciary system, and this one waka join the inauguration of the annex building wey dey tada put for the industrial court, the one wey dey area 3 for Abuja. Make una no forget say this ogbonge informate so na T Live Media na im bring am come gidigba come give una on top with tori for today. Una no forget to follow, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now if you still follow us, waka enter Facebook to follow and like our page for T Live Media. Our website sidon gidigba for www.tlivemedia.com. Una follow am to get ogbonge tori as e dey hot.